Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Ford Fusion SE model, 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. We're doing a valve cover gasket on it, and this job is not easy, and I want to walk y'all through it with me, show you how it's done, or how I do it I should say, because everybody has their own way of doing things. But this right here is the part number. Got your little gasket sealing in there with it, and all your gaskets. All right. So I want you to take a look at the setup. Now this valve cover, or this valve cover and the gasket, is not shaped full like all the way around. It's like a C shape, man. This thing ain't even. It's weird. So like in the middle, the injectors may have to come out. We're gonna see though. But without further ado, man, let's get it. I told her to put oil in it, and she told me she put it in, and this is what happened. All right. So we got all this smoke coming out, right? So my first thing what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna take out this intake, the air box. Go ahead and get that out the way. This mass airflow sensor, pull that off. Got a connector here. Squeeze that, pull that off. So this right here, somebody already broke this tag, so can't really mess with that. So I went here, pliers, pulled that off, got that hose back. See, so that'll come off with it. We got an 8mm here, remove that. And we gotta follow this down here, see what else we got. So it look like we can just pull up on that, just slide that up. All right, we got a flat head, get that out. Now we can pull this out. So we got that removed. We got some room. All right, and you can also see all the oil coming out. It's leaking on the manifold, burning all off the exhaust. So next I'm gonna go ahead and start on removing all of the harness connectors. Get it away from the valve cover, coil packs. Let out like that. That's how you get those out. So this hose, figured that out. You gotta pry this back. This little flap right here, pry it back. It's on both sides. That's what holds it and locks it over this little nipple right here. Boom. Next, 8mm holding in the coil packs. All right, we out of there. Coil packs. See what we got next. You can see all the oil on the coil plugs on the boot. 8mm, 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 here, here, here. So we're gonna get those out. Probably to get this piece off here on the top of it. This is a 10mm. Use a deep socket on that. These are 6mm, I believe. Pull that up. Alright, and you can see the injector, the fuel rail is in the freaking way. So we gonna get it though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out the fuel injector harness. I got my monkey wrench on this this fuel rail on this line. It's a 17 mil. Now you can release the fuel pressure. I'm not right now. I'm just slowly, I'm gonna let it come out. Let it come out like that. Ain't too much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my pry bar, get up under here, just pry it up. As you can see, we are exposed. That is the valve cover. It's like the portion in the back is not, it's not all the way connected. So I don't know what they got going on with this setup, but it is what it is. Man, point this out, man. I just noticed this. This is a bolt that is not there. You would have to take the sensor out, I do believe, because it's over it. Unless you can get up under there with something to make that work. Man, they got this thing designed crazy. The back is the same way. So yeah, so pretty much there's really no way around it. You're gonna have to take it off, because when you go to pull up, it's gonna hit it. So take off this back one here. And of course, it just had to be seized up in there. Couldn't get it out. This shit done broke right here. Alright, so what I did here, I moved these to the side because it's kind of hitting. Twist those, and that can come on out. Man, this thing nasty. They got extra gasket sealant. I mean, you put too much, it can harm your motor. I don't know if you guys know that, but you could definitely do some damage to your motor. All of this can get inside of it and just clog up and do some damage. Damn. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean the surface up. Get this old gasket up out of here. All right, we got the surface cleaned up. So you can see all of the oil build up, the sludge. It's pretty much from, this is signs of not getting your oil change regularly. So that's what happens. Man, it's so hard and brittle, broke coming off. And we just place it in, set it in position, push them down. You got these little notches, man. It holds it in, so it's not gonna come out. It's not coming out, all right? So what we gotta do next, we're gonna put some sealant right in these corners. One here, one here, one here, 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 and here. So it's basically these areas here, these notches. They're prone to leaking, and seal them up. All right, just like that, we in position. I'll tighten it down. You do not need to put gasket sealant all the way around this thing like it was. That was entirely too much. We back in there. All right, so I just sat those down in position, put the injectors in the hole, sat them on it, and wiggled it on, and I just tapped them down, and now they're in. Now we can tighten the bolts up, and we in. Everything is installed except for this one sensor. We'll have to go get the part, and I'll swap it out. I'm gonna put it in for free. I mean, no charge. You just gotta spot apart. So I'm gonna get that on there. I'm gonna put that other piece back on, and that's gonna be it.